So we are looking forward to the fourth experiment in the coursework. We have already done 3 experiments. Experiment 1 was error analysis using simple pendulum. Experiment 2 was motion of bodies using video analysis. Experiment number 3 was yesterday, that was plotting graphs and other stuff. And experiment number 4, that is today. Now today's experiment is a simple one. It's a demonstration experiment in thermodynamics. So we are going to do an experiment which is going to teach us about a simple demonstration in thermodynamics. Our reference book will be, as usual, University Physics 14th edition. So going ahead, let us see what we have to do. Perform one simple demonstration experiment in thermodynamics. You have to perform one simple demonstration experiment in thermodynamics. What could be such? I'll come to it in detail. You can use resources from the internet. So as I said, it must belong to the topics that you are there in the book, in the reference book, but you have to use the resources from you can use the resources from the internet, like any YouTube video or whatever. You can use those resources. Ensure that the demonstration topic belongs to the syllabus. So that is what you have to idea is. I mean, you can take your inspiration from anywhere, any other book, but it has to belong to syllabus. It can't be out of syllabus. Wait a minute. So no data recording is needed. So it's just a demonstration. You don't have to record any data and present. So an easy one. I'll give you some examples. So one topic could be like heat transfer. Other one could be thermal expansion, bimetallic strips, etc. Zeroth law of thermodynamics, which talks about how to design a thermometer. Basic thermometer, you can put, say, water-based thermometer or whatever. Then first law of thermodynamics, you know that whenever you heat the gases, they expand. Second law of thermodynamics, the heat engine, refrigerators, etc. And entropy, concept of entropy, any demonstration that explains disorder and entropy. So these are the topic examples. Apart from that, your usual stuff, ideal gas, Charles law, Boyle's law, etc., etc. So all these are the topics that we have in our syllabi. We can use any of these to generate a simple demonstration. So how do you submit the write-up? What will be the description for writing the write-up? So let me say you have to write aim apparatus, about the demonstration, explain theory in brief. So you have to explain the theoretical part in brief and the purpose of the demonstration. Then you have to write the procedure in brief. In short, you have to write the procedure. Data and graph are not needed. So they are not needed, remember. Just by chance, if you happen to generate some sort of data or graph, you are most welcome to write it, but they are absolutely not needed. So put important photos of the demonstration in the report. So that is very important. So whatever demonstration you are doing, you have to take the photos ideally I would suggest you shoot a video and keep it. Then you can take the screenshots at suitable points and important photos of the demonstrations in the report. Ensure that you are there in the photos. So you have to be there as the part of the idea that you are doing the demonstration. So you have to be in the demonstration. Write conclusion of the demonstration. So your result, conclusion, final inference, whatever. And all these you have to submit as a single PDF account, not exceeding 500 KB. And I will create a Canvas page for this submission, just like the other submissions, and you have to submit and upload there. Please take the precautions, usual precautions, avoid heating high temperatures. So don't put in something in a furnace and heat to 250 degrees Celsius. Don't do that. At the max, you can go to the boiling of water. But even when the water is boiling, handle the steam and the boiling water carefully. Physically, you can stay away from them and use some holding device, which is available at our homes. Then don't use explosive of any type, any crackers or whatever. Just avoid using it. You have to do a very simple demonstration and not at a very advanced level. So please don't do that. If possible, wear a eye protection. So if you have any sunglasses, normal specs, or specs without any number, you can wear them during your experiments. If you feel it is possible, if you feel it is needed, wear gloves if it is needed, or if it is possible for you. So these are the simple points that you have to take care of. So now you can ask me about your doubts, questions in this experiment. So before we go ahead.